The IMA PGPX deadlines for the 2025-26 intake have been released, and there are some things that you must know about the applying to the IMA PGPX program. So, what we'll be discussing today will be the deadlines for the 2025 intake. We'll also be discussing the IMA PGPX class profile for 2025. For people who are planning to apply to the IMA PGPX, we'll be debunking some myths that you might have about the program and discussing some next steps for you. So let's look at the eligibility for the IMA PGPX program first. You need to have a bachelor's degree or an equivalent to apply to the IMA PGPX program. The minimum for requirement is minimum of 4 years of work experience till 31st March 2025. You must also have a minimum age of 25 years till again 31st March 2025. You can apply to the IMA PGPX program with the GMAT, the GMAT Focus Edition, the GRE score, but only the in center and the valid scores are acceptable. A valid score for GMAT, the GMAT Focus Edition, or the GRE will be a score which has been taken up within the last 5 years. So, if you've written the GMAT within the last 5 years or the GRE, then it is a valid score for applying to the IMA PGPX program. Only the in center test scores will be accepted. The online test scores are not accepted by the application process for IMA PGPX. What are the application deadlines for the 2025 intake? So make a note on your calendar surely for these deadlines. The application for the round 1 closes on 30th of August 2024. The application for IMA PGPX for round 2 closes on 14th of October 2024. And the IMA PGPX round 3 application will close on 3rd December 2024. So these are three deadlines which are important for you to plan your application as well as plan your GMAT or GRE retakes if required. If you are someone who is planning to apply to IMA PGPX, you must also know what the class profile is like. The class is a diverse mix of industries like consulting, the BFSI, the energy sector, manufacturing sector, IT or the ITES sector, the defense, and others, which will include the retail, automotive, and FMCG sectors or entrepreneurs as well. So it's a diverse class, so you don't have to be ridden with any doubts for applying to IMA PGPX or not. You can go ahead and very well apply. We have compared the class representation in terms of industries in the class of 2024 and class of 2025 over here. What else do you need to know about the IMA PGPX class profile for 2025 is the class size has now risen to 158 from the previous 148. The average age in the classroom is 31 years and the average work experience is around 7 to 8 years. The average GMAT, which has been recently accepted, and IMA PGPX was 697, and the average GRE score, which was accepted to the IMA PGPX program, was 324. Now, coming to some myths that you might have about the program. The first myth that we have seen that people who would approach us for profile evaluation have is about the age or their years of work experience. So, we have worked with around 14 admits from diverse sectors in this previous year in 2024 for the IMA PGPX programs, and their profiles they ranged from the IT services sector to the product management, project management, the banking industry, defense sector. They were entrepreneurs, oil and gas sector, PSU, amongst others. This is a huge diverse range that we have worked with. So there is no doubt about whether IMA PGPX accepts a diverse range of individuals or not. So go ahead and put up your application in case you think that this is the right program for you. We also have other videos which do compare the IM with the ISB. So if you are someone who's interested in comparing those as well, there are more programs that you can apply to. Subscribe to this channel. We keep on updating all of this information over here. You will also be apprised of this information as and when we update it. Now, coming to the next steps, what first deadline for the IMA PGPX 2025 intake is on 30th of August 2024. Now, what do you do from here onwards? Is there anything that you should do? IMA just accepts the application form initially, but understand one thing that IMA will be shortlisting you on the basis of that application form. So it's not just a form. You need to plan now, you need to start well in advance. Remember one thing that when you have to submit your essays, you'll get hardly 3 days to submit your essays for the IMA PGPX application if you are shortlisted. So your advanced preparation will help you at that point in time. Most likely, when it is coming to the IMA interviews, you will be interviewing with multiple schools. So again, your advanced preparation will help you then. So it's very much recommended that you start in advance and plan now for your upcoming deadlines and how you want to take them up. In case you have any questions from us or how we can help you in the process, feel free to reach out to us and do subscribe to this channel for more updates that we'll be sharing for the IMA PGPX and the other MBA applications which are going to open up for the 2025 intake. All the best.